So you found a great deal on a flight. But what if you need to change your mind? Cancel it? Rebook it at a better price? Don't sweat it. There's a rule that makes it all possible. The 24-hour rule. But I'm going to show you how to turn it into the 48-hour rule. It's one of the best kept secrets for stress-free travel planning. And today we're diving into everything you need to know to use it like a pro. The 24-hour rule is a lifesaver for travelers. Mandated by the U.S. Department of Transportation, it lets you cancel or change a flight reservation within 24 hours of booking, completely free of charge. Here's the kicker. It only applies to flights departing at least 7 days from the booking date. Think of it as your risk-free window for decision-making. Made a mistake? Changed your mind? No problem. Here's the play-by-play of how it works. You book your flight. Watch that 24-hour countdown begin. Cancel, rebook, or change your flight at no cost. Let's break it down further. This rule applies to all flights touching U.S. soil, whether departing or arriving. Any cancellations within the 24-hour window will get you a full refund to your original payment method. The flight must be at least 7 days out for this to work. So last-minute bookings? Sorry, it's not covered. Here's how to turn that 24-hour rule into your secret weapon. You found a killer deal, but not sure about your schedule? Well, go ahead and lock it in and use that day to finalize your plans. No strings attached. Price drops? Rebook it. Imagine booking a flight for $500 and seeing it drop to $400 the next day. You can cancel, rebook, and pocket the savings. Use the rule to book your best guess, then check competitors. Found a better route or a cheaper fare? Cancel and switch. Want to sleep on it? Buyer's remorse is real. With the 24-hour rule, you can book confidently, sleep on it, and still back out if needed. Of course, no rule is without its fine print. Here's what to watch out for. Third-party booking sites. When you book through sites like Booking.com or Kayak, the rule might not apply. Check their cancellation policies carefully. In the case of Expedia, they actually do give you the 24-hour cancellation period as well, even though they don't actually have to. Basic economy and non-refundable tickets. Some airlines offer limited flexibility, so always read the fare rules. Last-minute flights. Booking within 7 days of departure? Unfortunately, this rule won't save you there. Interested in knowing my version of the 48-hour rule? Well, sites such as American Airlines will let you put a flight on hold for 24 hours without paying for it. Once you pay for it, you get another 24 hours, giving you a total of 48 hours. Now, you have to be a member of their loyalty program, which, quite honestly, you should be a member of any airline's loyalty program if you fly on them. It's free to join and can only benefit you. For example, Delta gives its loyalty program members a free check bag. Before we wrap up, let's talk strategy. Set a timer. The 24 hours fly by. Don't forget to act. Set a reminder on your phone as soon as you book. Know the airline policies. Airlines like Southwest go above and beyond with generous policies. Research before booking. Check your confirmation. Look for clear cancellation options in your email or airline account. The 24-hour rule is your travel safety net, saving you from bad decisions and unexpected price drops. Now that you're in the know, use it to book smarter and travel better. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe, and don't forget to share this video with your fellow travelers. Safe travels, everyone.